Angela's attacking the big present.
You have done the whole thing?
Yeah.
I may take slow time. I'm an adult now. I didn't get out of bed till 9 o'clock. So now,
That's a record for Angela.
unwrap my presents slowly. I'm gonna. What am I kidding? Seriously, you don't have to turn off It's a salad freshener.
Oh, wow.
What? A garden? How to grow herbs. Hey!
Yay!
Organic based.
Yeah.
know
Cool.
so.
Thank you.
Woo!